Hey there, language lovers. Welcome to the Spanish Spot. Today we're tackling the infamous verb to be in Spanish. But wait, plot twist. Spanish has two versions of to be. It's like having two different shoes for the same foot. Confused? Let's fix that. Meet our two contestants, Ser and Estar. Think of them as twins with totally different personalities. Ser is the permanent guy. He's like that friend who never changes, always wearing the same shirt, same hairstyle since high school. Yo soy John, I am John. Unless you're in witness protection, this doesn't change. Ella es doctora. She is a doctor, not just on Halloween. Somos de Mexico. We are from Mexico. Your birthplace is forever. Remember, ser is for the serious stuff that sticks around. This is how do we conjugate verb to be, ser. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are, singular, informal. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Usted es, you are, singular, formal. Nosotros somos, we are. Ellos son, they are. Ustedes son, you all are. Vosotros sois, you all are, in Spain. Now meet Estar, the drama queen. She's all about feelings, moods, and locations. Super temporary, always changing. Estoy feliz, I am happy, until someone eats your last taco. La pizza está fría. The pizza is cold, but not for long if I'm hungry. Estamos en casa. We are at home. Unless you're a turtle, this changes. Estar, states and situations that switch. This is how do we conjugate verb to be. Estar. Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you are, singular, informal. Él está, he is. Ella está, she is. Usted está, you are, singular, formal. Nosotros estamos, we are. Ellos están, they are. Ustedes están, you all are. Vosotros estáis, you all are, in Spain. Acronym for ser, doctor. D, description. Ella es alta. She is tall. Physical appearance. O, occupation. Mi padre es profesor. My father is a teacher. Job or profession. C, characteristics. Somos inteligentes. We are intelligent. Personality traits. T, time. Hoy es lunes. Son las 2. Telling time and date. O, origin. Soy de España. I am from Spain. Where someone is from. R, relationship. Él es mi hermano. He is my brother. Family relationships. Acronym for Estar, place. P, position. El libro está en la mesa. The book is on the table. Placement. L, location. Estoy en la escuela. I am at school. Physical, geographical location. A, action. Estoy escribiendo. I am writing. Happening right now. C, condition. La puerta está abierta. The door is open. Temporary condition. E, emotion. Estamos felices. We are happy. Feelings, emotions. Let's play a quick game. I'll say a sentence. You shout ser or estar. The party, blank, fun. Está because parties end. Maria, blank, beautiful. Es, she's always gorgeous. I blank tired. Estoy, after some coffee, you won't be. Here's the ultimate hack. If you can add right now to the sentence, and it makes sense, use a star. I am tired right now. Makes sense? Estar, it is. So remember, ser is your permanent marker. Estar is your pencil. easy to change. Before you go, here's a joke. Why did the Spanish student break up with the verb to be? Because it had commitment issues. It couldn't decide between ser or estar. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Comment below what Spanish topic makes you confused. I'll tackle it next. Until next time, this is the Spanish Spot saying, don't just be awesome in Spanish. Adiós, amigos.